Hi, Susie Moak here. I would like to sing you two little songs, little bitty songs, two of my favorites. The first is called Nature Boy, and I used to listen to it by Nat King Cole. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad am I, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. And he spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The second song I'd like to sing is a song by Paul Simon. It's dedicated to all of the people at Chapel Street over the years. The lighting designers, sound designers, set decorators, costume designers, makeup artists, actors, directors, all of you. Amazing talent, and thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of it. Time it was, and what a time it was. It was a time of innocence, a time of confidences. Long ago it must be. I have a photograph. Preserve your memories. They're all that's left you. Thank you so much.